This video is to go over these gold samples. In the instructions, we've got a double cast gold. These are very illuminant type of, it's like a lensing effect acrylic piece. And we've got the texture here sided. And then we've got this piece that we're doing round, with a good bit browner than this. Of course, that's silver. So what I did, I tried to kind of split the difference and represent both. We may want to tone some of these so it's more like this or whatever, but let me go through these. These are the acrylic samples, and what this is it's got some depth to it. So there'll be a texture on top, but then the leafing is on the back. So when you get this in like a highly lit area, these little raised areas will act like lenses. You can see how that's kind of picking up light. It'll seem as if the top is silver, and then it'll seem as if it's glass, just depending on how you're looking at it. Of course, this has got more gold involved, but that's one color scheme. This is getting a little more coppery, heavy gold. As you can see, this has also got the lens type thing going on. And we've got one with heavy brown. And what do we got here? This is some kind of a, I probably would add silver to this. This one doesn't seem complete. But no, these have silver. This is pretty when we do the kind of the gold lens with the silver base. So we got all these, and we can modify some of these if it's like, actually one of those is super close. Why don't you add X to that? There's two sets of linen samples. The linen samples, you know, you've seen kind of the edge, broken edge, where the side it'll be wrapped like a canvas around the side, but the casting kind of lays in the middle and has kind of a distorted edge, so you can see linen through the front. Now these are the cast to foam samples. Of course, this is just a 1 inch piece of foam. This can be up to 4 inches. The sides can be chamfered or beveled backwards into the wall. When you coat the sides with the same material, it'll kind of seem like a cast pewter panel of sorts. This one has kind of some dull browns and coppers and golds with it's got a silver leaf on the tops. Now notice when I say on the tops, this is a technique. You see these little silver dots? You can do a base color and then just leaf the very top edge, and it'll give you this kind of double colored thing. So this has a little edge of gold leafing on top of the thing. And this is just kind of a classic gold and silver, very kind of ritzy look. This is a kind of a taupish bisque-like base with gold. What we can do also, we can make more of these if it's like, well, I really want that color, but I need it in foam. We'll do one of those real quick. Still got all the materials out. All that's the mold making stuff. I've also got samples from an older project, but these are very dark. It was a copper type piece. So if these golds look really rich, because they're kind of supposed to be almost copper to copper. But let me go around the corner here. But you notice these have kind of a patina in them. They're very dirty. Now, you might see that and go, wow, I really want that rich kind of patinaed vibe. So if you want any samples like this, I can just cut these into squares and they'll match these over here. But that gives you some options and some, vision to you, that you might be able to handle something this rich for that space. Because something like this kind of reminds me of what's in the middle here. This is, very rich. So let me see if I got any more of these. Like this is a straight copper one here with just kind of a dark brown and navy, I guess, accent color. All right, that's it. And we'll figure all this out.